Hi Crafty Peeps, Enis here from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I want to welcome you back to my channel. And today is Saturday, May 6th, and I'm back on to announce that one of the winners from my contest did not contact me in time to claim her prize, and that was the second place prize winner, and it was for my wax stamping kit that I put together. So today I am on to draw a new winner. So her bad luck is possibly your good luck. So if you give me a second just to switch my camera to another view, I'm going to get the comment picker out and we will see who the new winner is of the second prize of my contest. So hang on just a moment. Okay, I'm back and I'm on my contest video page. I am going to grab up the URL, hop over to the YouTube random comment picker, paste it in. I am filtering out duplicate users and excluding those who do not have my channel visible on their pages. And let's see, we're going to use the show random names. Let me solve the problem here. And let's get our comments. We have 32 unique comments. And so now let's draw for that second place prize. Here we go. And the winner is Candace Ward. Congratulations, Candace. She says in her comment, please enter me in your contest. Love your prizes. Thank you so much, Candace, for participating in my contest. You have 24 hours to respond to this video and send me an email. You can find the email in the description box below. And if I don't hear from Candace by tomorrow evening, I will be choosing another winner for the second place prize. So anyway, thanks everyone for participating in my contest, for subscribing to my channel, and joining my crafty family. I really appreciate all your love and support. And with that, we'll call it a day and look forward to hearing from Candace. See you later. Bye, Crafty Peeps.